This is a resistance band workout to strengthen and tone the legs. All we need is a single band and a place on the floor. I'm Matt Pilates instructor Tucker. Welcome to McCrazy Fit. And let's lie on our back. Now, if you don't have this ring version of a band, take a straight band and tie a knot in it. Begin with the band around 1 foot, lying down flat. And we'll start with the dynamic hamstring stretch. So with the knee bent, straighten up and back down. Let's do this 5 times. Nice and slowly, warming up the hamstring as well as getting a stretch. Great job. And on this last one, keep that leg straight. And now let the leg travel outside of the body and back to center. And let it go across the body and back. Great. Let's go 5 times each way. Maintain a steady breath as you do this. I want the core tight and I want the hips stable. So as the leg travels, the hips aren't rocking. Imagine a glass of water, a bowl of water on your stomach, and that bowl staying steady. None of the water is spilling. Great job. 1 more each way. And slowly bring that leg down. Release the tension in the band before taking it off the foot, and we'll switch legs. Band goes around the bottom of the foot, beginning with a bent leg, and straighten it up. And bend. Great job. 4 more. Good. 2 more. And last one, keep that leg straight, and the leg travels outside of the body, back to center, and crosses the body. Back to center. Great. 4 more each way. And last one. Slowly bring that leg down. And we'll put the band around the ankles. And I would like the band to have slight tension on it when the feet are hip width apart. And get those legs straight. We're laying flat on the mat. Gently lift the right leg slightly off the mat and bring it out and back in. Good. Continue there. Out and in. Total of 10 repetitions here. I'm exhaling as the leg goes out, inhaling back in. Great work keeping that belly tight, keeping the whole body stable other than the leg. And if I need to move the hands out for a little added stability, that's just fine. Good job. 5 more. Two more. Excellent. Let that leg rest. The other leg floats gently off the mat and bring it out and in. Good. Going for 10 repetitions. More importantly, however many repetitions we did on the first leg, same number on the second leg. So whether that was 6 or 8 or 15, keep that on both legs. Great. 5 more. 9, and 10. And back to the first leg. This time we'll bring it straight up, keeping that leg straight. If it needs to be a little bit bent, that's fine as well. The leg comes up and slowly back down. And again, we're going for 10. Exhale up, inhale back down. Good work. 5, keep it up. 3 more. Last one. And slowly down. Good. Switch legs. Other leg. Bring it up. That's great. Really flexing that quad muscle. Keeping the belly tight. Stable in this whole midsection. Careful not to round out the lower back as the leg comes up. 5. Excellent. Halfway there. Still breathing. Good. 2 more. And down. Excellent. And bring the legs up. I want the knee at about 90 degrees. And let's go ahead and bring that band up to the knee. Now we're just going to bring the knees out. Feet stay right where they are. Exhale to bring the knees apart. And slowly back in. 10 times. 4. Keep going. 7. 3 more. 1. Great job. Let's bring those feet a little closer to the body. And again, important to have tension on the band in this position. I want the legs working a little bit to keep from collapsing in here. So a little bit of tension on the band. Keep that belly tight. We're going to move right into a bridge. So flexing the glutes, a little bit of hamstrings, keeping that belly tight. Exhale, lift the hips up and down. Great. Let's go for 5. Good job. 2 more. Really engage those glutes. Imagine the glutes pushing the hips up rather than the hips being pulled up. Great. And now let's stay up in that bridge position. I want the knees, hips, shoulders in a straight line. And again, bring the knees out and back in. Good. Let's go for 10. Keep those hips high. Great job. Glutes are engaged. Core is tight. Keep the hips up. 5 more. 8. Nice and slow. 9. 1 more. And 10. Excellent. Knees back to start and come all the way down. Good work. Let's make sure that band's up by the knees. Mine was slipping a little bit. Now keeping those feet a little closer to the body, go ahead and bring the feet out to the width of the mat. And as the feet become wider than the hips, the toes will point very slightly out. and again into a bridge. So engage those glutes, using the glutes to push the hips up. Great job. And back down. Good. Let's go 5 more. Exhale up. So 2 breathing patterns here. We can exhale up, inhale down, or we can exhale up, pause at the top for an inhale, and exhale back down. Good job. 2 more. Great. Now let's stay up on this last one. Bring the knees into hip width and back out. In and back out. Great job. That's 2. 8 more. Still breathing. Keep those hips up. Glutes are flexed. Belly's tight. Excellent. 3 more. And stay up. Now let's go half reps. Halfway down and up. Halfway down and up. Good job. Here we go. 10, 3, 4, 5. Keep those knees apart. 6. Belly still tight. 7. Are you feeling the glutes? Good job. 2 more. 10. And slowly all the way down. Excellent. And now we're going to flip right over into a 4-point position. I want the band back down by the ankles. So 4-point position, we want the hands under the shoulders, all points of the hand and the fingers contacting the mat evenly. Knees hip width apart, knees right under the hips. Straighten one leg, and let's bring it out and back in. Great job. Out and in. 10 total. Stay strong in the shoulders. Don't sink in between the shoulders. Keep that belly tight. Don't let the belly drop. Good job. 5 more. And if this is uncomfortable on the hands, then we can come down into on the forearms. 2 more. Good, and bring that in. Let's switch legs. Other leg extended and bring it out. And in. Great job. Maintain a steady breath. I'm exhaling out, inhaling in. Keep going. 5 more. Good, and bring it in. Great, now we're really going to hit the glute and the hamstring here. So switching back to the starting leg again, that leg goes straight and lift it up. Back down slowly, tap the toe and up. Good, 10 total. Still breathing. Keep that core tight. 5. Excellent. Halfway there. 8, 9, 10. Keep that leg up. Give me half reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 more. 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it in. Good. And last leg. Here we go. Straighten that leg and bring it up. Slowly down and up. Great job. Squeeze the glutes. Keeping the legs straight. Puts a lot more of the emphasis on the glutes. If I bent this leg, I'd be bringing in the hamstring a little more. So keeping that straight, we're really hitting the glutes here. Excellent, 5 more. Don't let that belly sag. Strong in the arms, strong in the shoulders. Good, 2 more. Leg stays up and half reps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2 more, 9, 10. Beautiful. Let's get rid of that band. We'll finish with a few stretches. Bring the right leg out. Keep that leg straight. Keep the back straight. And I can gently lean forward. Don't hunch over. Back stays straight. Good, okay. Now let's get that foot flat. Kick that foot out a little farther than you would think and gently lean into it. And switch legs. Leg goes out straight, back stays straight, and I could gently lean into it. Excellent. And this is a position, it can be nice to have something to steady yourself on. Good, and bend that front leg. Keep that foot out long. And gently lean into the stretch. And with this stretch, I can give a nice, slight posterior pelvic tilt. So the tailbone can gently tuck under a little bit as I go into the stretch. So I don't have to keep the tailbone out here. Good, let's sit down for a final stretch. In a long sit position. And bring the right foot over, still sitting up straight. And hug that knee in for a nice stretch in the glute and the hip. Excellent, let's switch legs. As soon as we're done here, it's time for the upper body. Head on over to my resistance band workout for upper body strength. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the workouts. Share this video with anyone who might enjoy it. And I'll see you next time.